So Porters was the first post office in Scottsdale. It was in 1929 it opened, so it was kind of like the gathering spot for locals. They would come get their mail, come get like the daily gossip. And I kind of loved that, vibe where it's like, okay, locals are coming here, and now it's like 100 years later we're having locals come gather, get the gossip, and instead of getting mail, they're getting a drink. Really embrace fun specialty cocktails. I thrive on finding new bottles that a lot of people don't offer. So I have a great selection of bourbons that are very hard to get. And I love when a customer comes and goes, oh my God, how'd you get that bottle? So we really wanted to preserve the Porters building and the Porters name. So it took us almost a year of construction, and we tried to expose old features. So throughout the building, we have the 100-year-old brick still exposed. We really wanted to make it a cool, innovative space, but really represent the old Scottsdale feel. We have the horse upstairs called the General, and there's different stories about it, but that was preserved by a local artist. So we have our spot upstairs. It's called the Post, after the first post office. So it's the Post at Porters. It's about half the size as downstairs, and it can be used to rent out for parties. You can order food. We have catering options. You can kind of do whatever you want. If you want to have a business meeting or you want to have a holiday party, and then it will also be open on the weekends and on busy nights if there's no party. We love the community here. A lot of people that live here think it's just a tourist area, but it's not. There's some really cool new businesses popping up down here. We really want the locals to come support us and not just the tourists. We are implementing some new guidelines, especially since the whole COVID pandemic. We are practicing social distancing once everyone is in the bar, and everyone has to be seated now. We'll have hand sanitizer stations we hope everyone implements, and masks will be required to walk around and to come in. And hopefully everyone can still have fun, but be safe. So we want to make it as fun as possible.